Hello everyone, today I am going to show you the best video editing software for you. And after watching this, you will never need to hire a video editor again, you can do everything yourself. So the software we are going to talk about today is called unveil. If you don't have it, click the link in the description below to use the program for free. As you can see, we have options like creating a project area or using templates, so they provide the opportunity to create a video from scratch using their template. I want to create a new project. From here, you can import the file of your choice by clicking on Upload File. I am choosing a stock video from here. And as you can see now, we are ready to edit. Here in the corner, we can see some options. First, we can see the project setting. And from here, you can adjust the aspect ratio of your video. There are many types of ratios given here. You can choose different types of audio from the audio section. From the subtitle section, you can add subtitles to the video as well as translate, which is really awesome. You can add text of your choice from the text section. And the most interesting thing is that here you can add different types of emojis, funny clips, and stickers. And more from the Elements section. And after editing, you can export to HD. So it can be said that unveil is a great program that you can use very well for free.